Owning a rental property can be a great investment, but it can also be a major source of stress and frustration. Between managing tenants, collecting rent, and maintaining the property, it can quickly become overwhelming. That's where sublet management companies come in. By outsourcing the day-to-day operations of your rental property, you can transform your business from a source of stress to a streamlined and profitable enterprise. Here are just a few of the ways sublet management can help landlords achieve success. 1. Professional property management. When you work with a sublet management company, you gain access to a team of experienced professionals who can take care of everything from marketing your property to cleaning it after guests leave. This means you can focus on your other investments or your personal life, while your rental property is managed by experts. 2. Higher rental income. Short-term rentals can be more lucrative than long-term leases, especially in popular tourist areas. With sublet management, you can optimize your rental strategy to attract more high-quality guests and generate higher income. 3. Consistent rental occupancy. By managing your property's booking calendar, a sublet management company can help ensure that your property is occupied throughout the year. This means you can enjoy a more stable and reliable income stream. 4. Professional maintenance. Maintaining your property can be a time-consuming and costly task, but with sublet management, you can rely on professionals to take care of everything from routine cleaning to major repairs. This ensures that your property is always in top condition and ready to impress guests. 5. Improved guest satisfaction. Happy guests are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your property to others. With a sublet management company, you can ensure that your guests have a great experience from start to finish, which can lead to more bookings and higher income. If you're interested in learning more about sublet management, we encourage you to reach out to Atlantic Vacation Incorporated. Our experienced team can provide you with more information and help you determine if sublet management is the right choice for you.